AMC had an absolutely phenomenal day today. And I know a lot of people out there expected AMC to end higher than it did, but I think we are in an amazing territory to shoot up from here if we got some continuation to the upside, right? Now, this is going to be the most important part because we are testing some severe levels of resistance, and I see a lot of similarities now from when you're comparing it to back in May and June of 2021. I want to talk about those. I want to talk about these resistance levels, and I want to talk about what could be next for AMC. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys 5 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And then if you want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those, each with their own rewards, in the description as well. But guys, incredible action today. AMC opening up, roughly 30 million shares being traded, I believe, in the first 10 minutes of the day. The volatility was so wild on AMC stock just in the first 10 minutes of trading that they had to halt the shares of AMC and GameStop. Guys, if this doesn't tell you that these meme stocks are still alive, if this doesn't tell you that retail isn't just wild about AMC and GameStop, I don't know what will. I mean, the sheer power and pressure that we had to the upside today is incredible. Now, I know a lot of people that are out there, and I've seen so many different theories as to why it started to pull back down and why AMC started to, fall quickly from that $34 level. People were saying order spoofing and all of this and all of that. Look, we've got a lot of traders that are buying and selling AMC. You're going to hear other people tell you that nobody's selling AMC, but they are, okay? Maybe nobody on YouTube, maybe nobody on Twitter, but there are people that are day trading the crap out of AMC. And when you reach a level of resistance and it pulls back, I mean, that's evidence that day traders are doing exactly what day traders do. Using technical indicators to trade the stock. And in this case, using technical indicators to trade AMC. So guys, I do want to talk about some of these technical levels of support and resistance, just so we know that if we break them, what AMC stock is capable of moving forward. But I want to do a quick comparison between where we are now and where we were at the end of May, beginning of June 2021. Because the similarities in price action are, I mean, they're eerie. Right? If we look at them, we can see that basically in a week's, or back then it was one candle, but over the last week, or 3 days really, we've gone from roughly $20 a share up to about $30 a share and pulled back a little bit. AMC, May 27th, I believe, did the exact same thing, running from the low 20s all the way up to 30 and coming back down to the upper 20s. Now, today, we ran up to 34. The following day, back in 2021, it ran up to 36. Today, we fell back down to 26. Then it fell back down to 26. And it closed around 26 in 2021. But today, AMC stock closed at $29. Very similar action on the following days. Now, tomorrow, we could, if we repeat what we did in 2021, we could see a doji candlestick. Not a lot of action to the upside and to the downside, and then the day would close where the day opened. So we're going to have to keep our eye on that. Don't let that discourage you, okay? Normally, a doji candlestick would signify a reversal, thinking that AMC could turn around from there and start to pull back a little. But if you guys scroll back on the graph and you look at June of 2021, following that doji candlestick is the day AMC doubled in price, going from roughly 30-some dollars per share up to $72 per share. And of course, after hours, it did run a little bit higher, but it doubled in price following that doji candlestick. Now today, yes, AMC did have somewhat of a doji. It wasn't a true doji on the candlestick pattern, but AMC did, I guess, form somewhat of a doji. We're going to have to see what it does tomorrow to see if we can get a little bit more clarity on what the bulls and the bears are doing and how they're duking it out. But man, don't let a doji fool you this time. Last time, it could have indicated a reversal, but we doubled in price the next day. We could absolutely do the same thing this time. Now, there is a difference that I want to point out. Previously, in 2021, AMC had no levels of resistance on the chart when it doubled in price. Now we do, okay? AMC, because it fell from that level of 72, AMC stock has levels of resistance at the $34, $35 level that we touched today. Beyond that, there's a major level of resistance on AMC around $38 per share. And there's a little bit of a range in there, $38 to $40. Beyond that, $48. Guys, we've got a good ways to go before we start hitting these levels of major resistance. So AMC has some room to run. We're just pointing these levels out. If we break the level, if we get a massive influx of buyers and FOMO starts to kick in and we break that level on AMC stock at $55 to $60 per share, watch out. I mean, it's basically going to break the last level of resistance on the chart, and we could soar from there. Now, I know people, I don't want anybody to get overly excited and go all in and FOMO in and all of that stuff, so please use these technical levels just as a guide point to make some decisions on if you would like to. Know that traders are doing the same thing out there. If we hit resistance and we pull back, that is natural. That happens when people are trading the stock, and we should accept the same thing to happen or expect the same thing to happen when AMC reaches these levels of resistance as well. Guys, I'm excited for what's ahead because AMC, the potential is unlimited when it comes to the shorts covering. And what have we been saying now for months, basically over a year? The shorts have not covered. That is still true today, and we are rolling higher in price. So I think that if we continue this action, we could absolutely see AMC move above and beyond our expectations. And I've got high expectations. I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Where do you think that AMC stock is going from here? Are you getting nervous? Are you feeling the excitement of the squeeze? Because if it's any indication, if 2021, that run up end of May, beginning of June, is any indication of what's to come next, we've got one more doji candle before we get a massive upswing. So you guys better have a trading plan in place right now. You better get your emotions in check. You better get prepared for what's to come. And let us know if you guys are excited in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.